Hi friends, welcome to my channel friends. The Australian red lemon plant friend. I buy it from Amazon for only 250 rupees. Friends, this is the red lemon variety. Let's see friends, the plant condition is very nice. When I received it from Amazon, then only one branch, and now see friends, it's 3-4 branches coming out from the plant. Now my plant friends growing very fast. Friends, for planting I am use well drained soil. The plant condition is very fine in this time. Now let's see how many days need to red lemon fruiting time. I don't know friends, this is the original red lemon variety or not. If you know, please comment me. In this soil friends, I use only vermicompost and leaf compost. Now plants are growing very fast. I think it need 5 to 6 months more for fruiting, and I wait for fruiting friends. The plant condition is very good. So friends, this is it for red lemon in my video. Thanks for watching. If you buy it, obviously you can buy it from Amazon. The plant condition is very good and their packaging was too good friends. Plant is not damaged. Plant is not damaged at all in their packaging. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel for motivate me. Thanks for watching friends.